Now I get to have a premium room for my momcation, thanks to Hotels by Day and Wyndham's TRYP New York City. So let's check out this room. All right, let's turn on the light. Ooh, okay, so this time I'll start here. Oh wow. Look at that. Membership has its privileges. Okay. Oh, it's a little refrigerator. Okay, so you can stash some stuff. Okay. Alright. Space. If you're gonna stay here for a little bit, it gives you room to put some stuff. Okay. Is this an adjoining room? Oh no, this is a closet. All right, there we go. And robes. And the safe, okay. Then you have a little area where you can work. Nice little couch. All right, let's go over to the other area in the premium room. Okay, nice little dresser. Put your stuff. I'm broken. It's coming soon. I actually want to see that movie. All right, here's the bathroom. Nice. And okay. I love that they write on the mirrors, welcome, and it tells you the room temperature and who your housekeeper is. That's cool. All right, so here's the bed. This isn't for people with a lot of kids with them, so this is perfect for me for today. All right, great. Let's see. The views of the city. I love New York. I'm gonna have to get a picture of this later. Oh, so pretty. And then the television. See, my kids would like the family room better, but this is perfect for me. And then more of the city. Okay. All right, wonderful.